Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable welding machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the S7 Arc 200 welding machine. The S7 Arc 200 welding machine is a true heavy-duty machine, making it a great choice for the all-round application. This unit is made from high-quality materials, making it extremely durable. It can weld all types of carbon, copper, aluminum, as well as stainless steel. It is a great choice for both homeowners who do many repairs and installations in their homes. That's not all. This is a versatile welding machine that will make an excellent choice for professionals, including building contractors, repair specialists, as well as home remodelers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HITBOX Arc Welder 200A stick. Larger welding jobs call for a bigger welder. Although you may not require something for building an airplane or ship, the HITBOX Arc Welder will help you take care of most home projects. This makes it an ideal tool when you want something to take care of the big repair or have various projects you want to complete. Despite its powerful performance, this unit comes with an incredibly compact and lightweight design. This makes it easy to carry from one place to another, while the compact design allows you to work in tighter spaces. At number 3, we have the HITBOX Arc Welder MAIGBT. If you are looking for a machine that helps you save a lot of money when it comes to fixing your building or even your car, you should not hesitate to get this unit. This unit comes with advanced features that help professionals and home users when doing home renovations, auto bodywork, home repairs, and heavy-duty projects that need serious reinforcement. What's more, you do not need any experience to use this tool. It is effortless to use thanks to the intuitive controls. Additionally, it is light in weight, so controlling and carrying it from one place to another will not be a problem. At number 2, we have the Goplus Arc 250 AMP Welder welding machine. Besides having user-friendly features and design, this unit is engineered to offer you top-notch performance. It comes with a compact design, making it highly versatile. This makes it an ideal choice for home or shop work to repair or work on home appliances, sheet metals, and outdoor equipment such as vehicle trailers or lawnmowers. This innovative welding machine boasts a professional-grade arch electrode stick, making it high on efficiency and practical to use. Additionally, this unit comes with a 2-transformer lever, both the 110 volts as well as 220 V. This makes it a great choice for both professional and home use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hyla RC160A stick welder. Save your time, money, and effort by making the smart choice. By selecting the Hyla RC160A stick welder, you will become the master when it comes to all your welding needs. One of the remarkable features that come with this unit is smoothing welding. Most people who have used this unit can attest that it exceeded their expectations, especially when considering the low price. This unit is also energy efficient, so you shouldn't worry about your utility bill skyrocketing. When we look at this unit's price, efficiency, and welding capability, this is a fantastic value. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.